Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss performance of hybrid electrical vehicle. So how HEV performance depends. Before knowing that, let me repeat the definition of hybrid electric vehicles. An HEV is a vehicle in which the propulsion energy is available from two or more types of energy sources. It may be a motor and an IC engine, it may be a fuel cell and IC engine, it may be a electric motor and fuel cell and IC engine. So there are different combinations of energy sources. The most reliable type of hybrid vehicles are hybrid electric vehicle. In this video we will discuss the performance of hybrid vehicle as compared to IC engine vehicles. As we can see in the left side of image, here the 100% of energy in the fuel, only the 30% of the energy converted by the engine. Means if the fuel have 100% energy, the 70% energy will go to the losses, and 30% of the energy will further goes to the losses in different kind of losses, like 40% of this 30% goes to the waste heat, and 30% of the 30% engine energy goes to the coolant, and 5% energy from the 30% of engine energy goes to the friction. The remaining 25% energy used for the propulsion purpose. So we can say if there is 100% energy, only 30% energy can be converted into the useful energy form, and 25% of this 30% energy can be converted into propulsion. So there is a huge amount of energy will goes into the losses in IC engine vehicles. Now the other side, hybrid electrical vehicle. In this vehicle we use a smaller size of engine and a electric motor. So there are different benefits of electric motor will be included in this, and the other reason is we can use a smaller size of engine. So we can say this 100% of energy will convert into 25% of propulsion energy, but the engine size is smaller, so it use less fuel. So we can say the losses will be also less. Now hybrid car performance, as I already discussed, the IC engine have a heavy engine. Other side, in hybrid vehicles we can use a smaller size IC engine. So what is the drawback of heavy engine? Means heavy engine spend more energy to accelerate, to drive the vehicle or to drive up to a hill, because there are more weight in this engine, so it takes more energy, and also more energy goes to the losses. Second point is, because the engine is heavy, its parts also heavy, like piston, cylinders and other moving parts are also in heavy in size. So when they move, they spend more energy to movement. So we can say there is also a big amount of energy goes to the losses in these movement. If other side the engine is smaller, so we can say in a smaller engine the piston and other parts are also smaller, and the total energy losses will be comparatively less. The third point is the displacement of cylinder is larger, so more fuel is required by each cylinder. The same thing, when the engine is larger, the cylinder is larger. Because the cylinder is larger, the displacements of the cylinders are also larger, and every displacement use more fuel and also more losses. Bigger engines usually have more cylinders, and each cylinder uses fuel every time the engine fires, even in the car isn't moving. Means at the time when we are not moving the car, means car is in ideal condition, or engine is working, the cylinders are continuously going up and down, means moving, and they are losing more energy. If this time we use only motor, comparatively it loses less energy. Now recover energy and store it in the battery. This is a basic and most important feature of hybrid electric vehicle. It having a function known as regenerative braking, means it having the motors. When we apply the brake, the kinetic energy of vehicle can be converted into electric energy by using the motor as a generator, and this function is known as regenerative braking, and it further increase the efficiency of HEV. Sometimes shut off the engine, means when we are not using the engine but we need to run the car, or we need to start a car on ideal basis, then in IC engine we can't stop the engine because we have no alternate power source. So if we stop the engine, we need to again restart it, and it uses extra fuel as compared to on a starting condition. In other side, we have two power sources in HEVs, one is motor and other is IC engine. So at certain time when we need stop IC engine, we can stop here because the motor is assisting it. So assume we are standing on a red light area, on red light, and there we can stop the engine and we can run vehicle on motor only. So when we need to run the vehicle, we can run by means of motor, and now further we can start the engine. But in case of only IC engine vehicle, we can do this scenario. So we can say the efficiency of HEVs are greater than the IC engine vehicle in this specific case also. Use advanced aerodynamics to reduce drag. When we are driving on a freeway, most of the work our engine does goes into pushing the car through the air, and this force is known as the aerodynamic drag. As much bigger the frontal area of our car, as much the drag force will be bigger. So in case of HEV, we can use a smaller frontal area and can change in aerodynamics feature of the vehicle, because there is a lesser size of engine, there is a lesser size of motor, we have more options to change in aerodynamics features of car. So this is also a way to increase the efficiency and performance of a vehicle. Use low rolling resistance tires. We can design such types of tire which having low rolling frictions. Use lightweight materials. As we know, the hybrid vehicles are made for performance and efficiency, and the IC engines vehicles are made for power, speed and less maintenance cost. So we can use lightweight material in HEVs to increase the performance of a vehicle. What will be these lightweight material? Will be like carbon fiber, aluminum, magnesium. So they are the materials which can be used in HEVs but can't be used in ICE engine vehicle. So the use of these materials can improve the efficiency of hybrid electric vehicles. It's the construction of hybrid electric vehicle. Here different parts are showing. Is the fuel filter for for the engine, fuel tank, traction battery pack, engine traction motor, electric generator, transmission, battery, thermal system, power electronics controllers, DC to DC converter, internal combustion engine and exhaust system. So this is a HEV, and I discussed different types of ways by which we can say the performance and efficiency of a hybrid electric vehicle are higher than the only IC engine vehicle. Thank you.